So, good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Good morning. As you can see, what I have written only SUR and given dot. It can be surprise and it can be show. So, if it is related to test, then it is show test and surprise test. It cannot be surprise because this chapter is already prepared by you many times. So, what you have to do actually? Alankrita, I think I said it 3 times to keep everything in your bag without wasting my time. Okay, so what you have to do? Whenever I will ask any question, you have to come here and definitely you will come like this. Okay. So when you will stand in front of this camera like this, how other will recognize you? So you will come like this only. But you will put your mask down. You will give the answer. Then you will put your mask up and then you will go to your seat and you can. So you will give answer or you will not give answer. Everything will be recorded. So, and for that, whenever I will ask any question, you have to raise your hand only. Don't say, sir, please ask to me. No, not at all. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I want this energy only. So, chapter is the story of village Palampur. So, my first question is related to this village. Look, definitely this village is imaginary in this chapter. But then also, same village can be found in many areas in India. So, from which village or from which district's village, Palampur is very similar. Okay. Only 3 are raising their hand and I am very happy that Alankrita is giving answer to girl which is sitting. So why you are speaking something? You don't have to give your answer to anyone. Only raise your hand. So 3. But before that, I want you who will come here and who will say, sir, I don't know. Yes? Okay. So start with a boy, because boys are always very daring. Come. You understand my question? What I am asking? Palampur is actually it is an imaginary village, but it is also related to few villages in one district of Uttar Pradesh. Even I have given you one hint also. Now come here, give the answer. Fast, without wasting. Come. Okay, put your mask down. What is your name?
Ritesh Kumar.
Your name is?
Ritesh Kumar.
Okay, his name is Ritesh Kumar. Okay, now please give the answer.
Sir, Saharanpur.
Saharanpur. No. So this is wrong answer. Ritesh Kumar has given absolutely wrong answer. Now, I will call a girl. Come. She is also girl, I think. So let her come. Come, beta. Try at least. What is your name?
Disha.
Your name is Disha?
Yes, sir.
Show the Disha to each and everyone. Give the answer. You don't know. You cannot give the answer. Okay. So after a long time, Disha has taken long time to give the answer, but she was unable to give. Now I will call someone else. So come. And who was raising hand this time?
Shreya Keshri, my name is.
Come little bit forward. Yes.
Bulandshahr, Western UP.
Okay. And what is your name?
Shriya Keshri.
Okay. So Shreya, very good. You are correct. Palampur is very similar to villages of Bulandshahr district of Western UP or in Western UP. So very good. Now question number 2. There are many families in Palampur, as I explained. So if I will ask that how many families are there, you all will raise your hand. Correct answer is 450 families. My question is not that. My question is not that. My question is that what is the proportion of SCs in Palampur? Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. Come, beta, come. Yes. Don't give answer to it.
My name is Krishna Gupta.
Your name is Krishna Gupta, okay?
Sir, 150 families.
150 families. Okay, go. Many times you have to understand that what I am asking. Maybe your answer is not wrong in your sense, but my question was, what is the proportion? And you should know because you are very familiar with maths also. So, last girl, she is pushing the wall. Come, give the answer. And better little bit fast. Down your mask, put down your mask, come little bit forward. Yes, your name?
Samiksha.
Okay, Samiksha. Better please give the answer.
Sir, 1/3.
1/3 of the
Sir, SC. Sir, 1/3 of the
total population or total family. Okay. So good. So even that boy was also correct, but my question was in proportion. So what is the proportion? That was 1/3 of the total population. If it is 450, then the number will be 150 families, but it will not be proportion. So the correct answer is 1/3. Okay. Now next question is, look, there are different factors of production, and they are 4. So now you have to give the answer. Out of land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Definitely now I will not ask the 4 factors of production. Now you have to come one by one, and suppose the first factor of production is land. But it is not only land. No one will speak. Land and what you will fill here? Okay. Many are raising their hand. Very good. So come beta, yellow mask. Then give your answer to her. Come. Put your mask down. Take your name.
Sir, Ujjwal.
Ujjwal. Okay, beta, give the answer. What you will fill here? Land and
Resources.
complete it.
Sir, land and resources.
Little bit. Few words are missing. You are not wrong, but few words are missing. So, he is also half correct, but wait there. Take this. Right? First fill it and then give the answer. You just wait and see. And resources. Right there, right there. Write down because it is not coming in frame. Put your marks down, give the answer.
Correct answer is natural resources.
Okay, what is your name?
Manasvi Tiwari.
Manasvi. And what was your name?
Sir, Ujjwal.
Pooja. Okay, go. Please give me my chalk. Okay, so Ujjwal and Manasvi both are almost correct. First factor or requirement of production is land and other natural resources like soil, water, and many more, even vegetation also. Now the next question is second requirement is labor or laborer. This is the second requirement. Okay, just open and then tell it to sir that we are recording. Okay, so it is labor and
Sorry to bother you, sir.
you just go do your work.
Those who are prepared for the World Tourism Day celebration, please be there in your world.
After 5 minutes answer. Sit beta. First you have to give the answer and then you have to go to world 2. Wait. So this is second requirement of production. When I was explaining that day, I explained about there are different types of laborers or labor. You have to give the name. There are different types of laborers. Only one. Better let me ask to that girl because she is very hurried. She has to go for world 2. Come. Okay, down your hand. I will call. Down your mask loudly.
Skilled or and unskilled.
Okay, write it. Beta, I made this to write here. Skilled and unskilled. Very good. What is your name?
Avantika.
Avantika. Okay, Avantika, now you can go without disturbing the class. So, there are different types of laborers. But mainly in your class, skilled and unskilled. There are laborers like semi-skilled also. But we will only discuss skilled and unskilled. So, very good. Now, coming to third requirement of production, and that is physical capital. So, what is physical capital? Physical capital is a capital which are used during production, and it is of two types. That you have to come here and one by one you have to explain. Means what you have to do? You will come here, you will write the types of physical capital and one by one you will explain. So please raise your hand. 1, 2, okay, Lakrita, come and you also come. So one you will explain and one you will explain, okay? Come. Let him come. Okay, Lakrita, start.
Working capital, sir, working capital is the capital which
You are going to define working capital. So write. Yes. No, not definition, only working capital. Very good. Your handwriting is very good on even board also. Because this is not insult. This is praise. Writing is good. Yes, please.
Sir, working capital is the capital which includes the money in hand and the machinery is used in the production of any particular thing.
Think one more time. You are explaining working capital and you are including machines. First give the definition, not examples.
Sir, the raw materials used in the production of anything comes under working capital.
Again, you are giving me example. I want definition. Okay. You are little bit confused. Okay. What is your name?
Alankrita.
Okay. I think Alankrita is little bit confused. So go and say, and please come better. That's right. You are not going to explain working capital. You are going to explain fixed capital. Okay. Explain it then for working. I will work someone else. Right. Fixed capital. Very good. Your writing is also very good, but that is going down and down. Okay, please, speak.
In fixed capital,
Please down your mask. Put down your mask. Sorry.
fixed capital include working on machineries and
Again, you are giving examples. My question is, how you can define? She was also giving only example. What will be definition of fixed capital? Okay. So take your names.
my name is Aniket Singh.
Your name is.
Aniket Singh.
Okay. Your examples are correct. And even what Alankrita has given, that was wrong. So, who will explain working or fixed? Come. You are going to explain? Working? Okay, come. It is very bad. Many are not raising their hand.
The fixed capital is the physical capital which is used several years in a production,
Which include, okay?
and it is fixed which can be used several years.
For example,
Farmers plot.
farmers. Farmers plug. Okay. What is your name?
Himanshu Kumar Mishra.
Himanshu Kumar Mishra. Come. I'm not getting very perfect answers. Anyone else? Come. Anyone?
Sir, my name is Sarthak Singh. Resources that cannot be reused are called physical capital.
That cannot be reduced.
Reused.
They
Sir.
cannot be reused.
Yes, sir. Like money in hand.
That is
Working capital.
okay. Okay. Go. Chalo. Okay. No one else now? You want to try? Come. Look, so easy question. And Alankrita, again you started doing something else. Come.
My name is Kritarth Singh.
Loudly better.
My name is Kritarth Singh. I want to tell you about fixed capital. Fixed capital are known as which we need to produce goods at daily purpose. We don't have to buy it every day. It is one-time investment.
So basically, this is 9A, and what I am asking, this is chapter number 1. And how many students are coming and giving their answers, you can understand how much they are confused. Okay. So, yes, I got the answer. But now listen it carefully. First of all, working capital. Fixed capital, sorry. Fixed capital is a capital which can be used for many years during production. Capital which can be used for many years during production, that is fixed capital. For example, tools, machines, buildings. Now come to working capital. Working capital is a capital which are already used during production. We cannot use it again. For example, raw materials and money in hand. This is the answer of the question. So, if it is asking, please define, then don't give examples only. Now, next question. Okay, next question. How lands are distributed? How lands are distributed among farmers of Palampur? How lands are distributed among farmers of Palampur? 1, 2, 3. Come. Fast, better.
My name is Udit Mehrotra and so what is the question? Question.
What is the question?
Sir,
How land is distributed among farmers of Palampur?
sir, land are distributed among the farmer in Palampur is 80% of upper caste.
Continue. Copy also? Okay. So, anyone else? He has not given complete answer. Again, you want to come, Alankita? Anyone else? Otherwise, I will come, Alankita.
Land is very unevenly distributed between the farmers of Palampur. That is, few farmers don't even have land, and there are few farmers who have more than 2 hectares of land. There are also such farmers who have less than 1 hectare of land, and they work on the farms of different farmers who have more land.
Okay, your answer is completed. Come. So, the basic, if this question will ask in 1 mark, then what will be your answer? That is the first line of Alankita. That land is unevenly distributed among farmers of Palampur. But if it will come in 3 marks, then there are many farmers in Palampur, they are landless. Many farmers, they are having less than 2 hectares of land. And few farmers, they are having more than 2 hectares, less than 10 hectares. And few farmers, they are having more than 10 hectares of land. So next question, and now the time for those students who are not raising their hand. Understand? So be ready to come here. Next question is, what is the condition of electricity in Palampur? Come. Fast, beta fast.
Most of the houses of Palampur have well-developed electricity connection, and electricity helps to generate tube wells for irrigation of the fields. And
Good. That's good. So, most of the houses are having electricity connection, and there is one advantage of electricity which came early in Palampur, that now tube wells can run by electricity. And now last question. Today's last question, and that is, okay, so question is, there are different types of activities in Palampur, farming and non-farming. So who will come here and will give examples of non-farming activities? Better raise someone. Yes, you come. You have already given one answer. Na? Anyone else who has not given any answer? You have already given one answer. You have given. Come. Which type of raising hand is this? Come. Fast.
like a dairy farm, bull cart to transport food, and other materials.
So, non-farming activities are transport, small-scale industry, shopkeeping, dairy. Thank you and have a nice day.